This is a video for Mario month.
Do you notice anything wrong with the picture?
And
No.
She cut her own bangs.
Oh no.
and it's and this month we're going to be doing all things Nintendo every day. And for the first episode day, we're going to Mommy right here playing Cat Mario, and she died.
That is so hilarious. Her mom says, "Wow, Reese, I sure don't love your homemade bangs. Seriously? How you gonna let your kid get a hold of a pair of scissors?"
Happens all the time.
Did Lane ever cut his own hair?
No.
And I don't want to cut my own hair.
No, I meant like when you were a baby. Not now that you're a midget. A grown
What
midget.
now?
A grown up midget.
No. Want to try a Mario game unfairer than this? Play Unfair Mario.
Unfair Mario? This is about as unfair as you can get.
No, it's not. There's a game called Unfair Mario. Well, it could be more. It could be less unfair, but yeah.
How?
Let's play a game of Cat Mario today. -14.
For real?
It looks like Elsa.
Well, I can't see because the thing is in my face.
Sorry.
That hole keeps giving me problems.
Yes, it definitely is. Definitely is giving you problems. Most of Mario month is going to be gameplay videos, of
I'm
course.
going to -20 and then I'm stopping.
Okay. And then, but there might be some, of course, Mario month is mostly going to be gameplay videos. But there is going to be probably some vlogs and stuff in Mario month. So, yeah.
Okay, that was fun. Goodbye.
Bye, everybody. Hold on. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this Mario month thingy-mabobber, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Here's your camera back.